Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360D. It's time to talk about the 5 best hidden Safari features on iPhone and iPad. Safari is a top-notch browser with a ton of exciting features designed to let you browse the web at your own pace. Aside from offering the enhanced security and privacy, Apple's browser also excels in providing plenty of customization for a more personalized experience. In this video, I'm going to talk about the 5 best hidden Safari features on iPhone and iPad. So, if you're willing to get the most out of the stock browser, let's get started. First off, I would like to talk about how to perform Control F search on a Safari web page. I don't think many of you would be aware of the fact that Safari offers a handy way to search text on a web page. Times when you are searching for specific topics, it will make your task incredibly simple. To do so, open Safari on your iPhone or iPad. Then head over to a web page where you wish to perform a Control F search. After that, tap on the share icon and then choose Find On Page option in the menu. Next, enter the text you are looking for. Next up, you can use the up-down arrow to quickly jump to the highlighted text. Notably, it also shows the number of times that particular text is present on the web page. Next up, I'm going to show you how to close Safari tabs automatically and manually. Another notable Safari feature is the ability to close Safari tabs automatically and manually. So if you want to manually close tabs, just touch and hold on the tabs icon at the bottom and then choose Close X tabs in the menu. And if you want to close Safari tabs automatically after a specific time, go to the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Now scroll down and select Safari. Then select Close Tabs option. And after that, choose the desired time, like after 1 day, after 1 week, after 1 month. Next up, I'm going to show you how to convert Safari web page into PDF. Safari comes with a hidden PDF converter that can let you save any web page as PDF on your iPhone or iPad. To do so, open Safari on your iPhone or iPad. After that, navigate to the web page that you want to save as PDF. After that, take a screenshot of the web page. Just press the volume up button and the power button at once to snap a screenshot of the page. Then select the full page option at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on the Done button and choose Save PDF to Files, and that's about it. Next up, I'm going to show you how to lock private browsing mode with Face ID and Touch ID. If you are a privacy-conscious person, you would be glad to know that there is a neat way to lock the private browsing mode with Face ID or Touch ID. This is exactly what you need to prevent anyone from bumping into your private tabs without your permission. To do so, head over to the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Then select Safari. After that, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose Advanced. Then select Advanced Tracking and Fingerprinting Protection. And after that, choose Private Browsing or All Browsing as per your need, and that's about it. From now onwards, your private tabs will be locked by Face ID or Touch ID depending on your device model. And finally, I'm going to show you how to pin Safari tabs. If you want to easily access specific Safari tabs, you can choose to pin it. To get it done, just tap on the tabs icon at the bottom. Then find the tab that you wish to pin. Then long press on the tab and choose Pin tab in the menu, and that's all there is to it. So that's how you can easily pin Safari tabs on your iPhone and iPad. Now that you have unlocked all these hidden cool tips and tricks, make the most of it to enhance your web browsing experience in Safari on your iPhone or iPad. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.